Hi guys, magkukulay po ako ng aking buhok. Iyan po. Grabe po yung puti niya. Hindi ko na makaya. Anong nangyari dyan? So nga.
I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong. And I learned how to get along. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key. If I'd have known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Oh, now go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now. 'Cause you're not welcome anymore. Were you the one who tried to break me with the vibes? You think I'd crumble? You think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, no, no.
Guys, so mag-i-experiment po ako ngayong araw na to. Magkukulay po ako ng buhok sa henna powder kasi hindi na healthy yung aking buhok, yung anit ng aking ulo. Hindi na siya, hindi na nag-absorb yung kulay. It's not healthy na talaga sa aking buhok. So, lahat ng buhok ko ay puro puti na or sa ano na rin siguro sa panahon ng pagtanda. Kaya lang, kailangan kulayan kasi nakakairita ba. So far, I have a healthy procedure, homemade henna powder, black. So, I'm going to make my own mixture, coconut oil. I'm just gonna put a white eggs on it, lemon, black tea. The black tea is just like the liquid. So I'm going to mix them all together here. Then, later on, so I have to leave for a couple of probably hours in the fridge. Then I can apply later on. So I got my hot water here. So this is for the tea. So I leave my tea out here, but I just need a few couple of drops of that for my mixture. And that is, I think, water. So guys, so like this. Inay. Wow. Ayan po. Grabe. Ang galing. Galamig sa ulo. Sarap sa anit. Oops, be careful. Naku. Nuchot ako, guys. Yan, with water. Mahirap tong alisin. Nako. Hi guys, hindi ko po alam kung anong kulay ng buhok ko. Tingnan nyo nga po kung nakulayan. Hindi ko alam. Puti pa rin. Siguro hindi. Yun nakikita ko doon sa ano. Tingnan nyo po yun sa salamin. Pero ang lambot Meron pa, pero siguro hindi siya makukuha ng one time apply. So, I'll try for 1 month or more. O at least very soft yung hair ko, tsaka hindi po ako nangangate yung aking tawag dito. Yung anit ba? Hindi nangangate. Oh, yan. So, after, probably, every week kong gagawin or, yeah, twice a week, lalambot pa siguro yung hair ko. Kumikislap pa yan, white pa, pero parang maraming nakulayan. Ayan, Tignan yung white hairs ko, nakulayan siya. Yung iba, hindi ko masyadong nakita yung sa likod na kulayan Wow. Pwede na. Hi guys, so I'll show you how does it look. You can't see. I think I still have white. But it's not that bad, I guess. Just let's go to the light one. So this is it. This is the result. I think a bit darker, and it's a color. Yes, not that really bad. So probably I need to use this for more 6 months, probably, that it turn all dark, all the gray will be gone, hopefully. But this is only my 3rd time to apply, so I think I'm so happy with the result, because the gray hair in the middle from here, it goes darker, and I can see that it goes darker, and my hair a bit smoother. Yeah, so this is it, guys. So of course they still have white hairs here, but it takes time. Cannot really get it for 3 times apply. But my hair is very smooth, and you see, look, shining armor, look, shine. You can also try it. See? Oh, I have a good result. So I will continue this. Probably you will see the result in after 1 month. Hopefully all the gray hair is totally gone in a month or 2 months, probably, or more. But I will continue using this, so I don't need to go and keep highlighting my hair, because it's already destroyed and not so healthy. This one, my hair is too smooth. Yeah, it's a good one. So thank you guys for watching. You can also try this. Look, it's a different. Yeah. So you should take care of your hair. Don't mix a lot of color stuff. Just like me, it got tortured, so it's not really healthy anymore. But now, yes, a bit better. Yeah, a few more apply, probably a couple of months, and hopefully totally darker and healthy. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you keep watching my video. I have a lot of things, experiment stuff, so keep watching my videos. Ciao. Ito yung buhok ko after ng paglalagay ng henna. Ang kinta po, ganda. So, kunti na lang. This is first time ko lang itong in-apply, so I will do it more often para umitim na yung buhok ko, at saka organic siya, natural. Wow, ang lambot, guys. Binigyan ko lang po siya ng kunting yung parang conditioner, coconut conditioner. Pero, ano siya, henna lang to. Henna. Gumanda yung buhok ko. So, buhok pa more. O, yan. Kunti na lang. Yung puti ko, siguro, pag in-straight ko to ng 1 buwan, every time. Wow, I look great. Yan, tinay yung mukha ko. Ayan, o. Tinay yung buhok ko. Henna, baby. Thanks for watching. O, baka gusto rin yung i-try. Try nyo na, o. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda, guys. Ganda ng hair. 1 time ko lang in-apply, ha. Gagawa ulit ako. Yung iba may kulay siya, eh. Kaya lang, it's okay. Ito yung black. Saka na lang muna. Kasi, baka mamaya maging itim pa, eh. May kulayan ko rin ng ibang kulay after na magamot na siya. Pero henna pa rin na kulay. Thanks for watching. Bye.